we have a few predefined methods built in to JavaScript to access certain things about our objects. So let's go into the first example, which is we have the first name and the last name. To get access to the different keys inside of our person object, we can use the .keys method. And what this does, you need to use the object constructor and then the .keys method. What this does is it takes in a object, okay, and this has to be an object, and it looks for each key and just puts that into an array, as you can see right here, and then you can access that array. That's what the .keys does, and these are important methods. You will use them again and again in different ways in your projects, so keep these in mind. These are the ones that are used the most. So this was the keys. To get every key inside your object, you use this, okay, you use this. So this is how the keys works. Let's look at the values, and what the values method does is it gets the values that are inside your object, and inside this object we have two values, that is John Doe, and we are getting both of those. So that's how the values work. And then we have entries. So what this does is every entry inside of our object, it's going to go and get that, but it's going to split that up into arrays. So in this would be one array, and this key value pair would be another array, and these are considered entries. So this, as you can see, is an array which has two more arrays, and each array has two values. As you can see, our first array has first name and then John, which is these two, and then these two. These are the entries, the two separate entries. So this is how entries work. Let's go into assign. So what assign does is copies all enumerable own properties from one or more source objects to a target object. Okay, so what this does, we have a person object and a details object, and if we combine these two, we would use assign, so that everything inside of person and details is joined together to form a new object that has all three of these key value pairs, all three of these values and properties. Okay, so to combine these two, we just use the assign method, and as you can see, we are getting all of these. Okay, so this was a tutorial on objects. The next one is going to be about arrays. So I hope you like this one. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. So I hope you like this one. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.